time in mount, we're going to look at one more quarter guard escape. So Marty gets my hands on the mat. And he hits his elbow knee, and I'm late, and I didn't get T-mount, and I didn't get the bailout, so I'm actually caught in this position here. This is called quarter guard. He's got my leg between his legs. So we looked at 2 other escapes. We'll do a quick recap, and then we'll look at the rolling back attack, which we'll do through here as well. So, first one that we looked at from this position is he's gonna look. I mean, if I stay here, he's gonna push this knee, and then I'm calling half guard, and I don't want that. So the first escape that we looked at was basically my hands is on the mat. I just put this foot up a little bit. This makes this knee slightly heavier. When he starts to push, I'm gonna win the underhook, the cross face, pressure, and I'll bring my hook in. I'll drive my hips forward and escape. Head and arms there as well. Second escape from that position was this time, okay, he's not pushing this, he is pushing it in, but he's got his elbows so tight, I can't win this underhook here. Okay, so I'm sitting up, and all the weight again is on this knee, because his goal is to push this between his legs. So I'm just swinging my leg over and making sure I win the underhook so he doesn't take my back. From there, kick out, broken star. Last escape, even though it looks flash, you get a lot of 10th planet guys doing this, and then you can bait the guys into doing this so they can get in the back or get to the truck. But it is high percentage, but I have to be careful with the truck, so we'll talk about that as well. So again, he has me in quarter guard again. Let's go from the start, bro. So starting from here, he gets my arms in the mat. Switch it to the quarter guard position. So from here, I'm going to take my hook, okay, on this side, my right hook, and I'm going to bring it over the top of that leg. Okay. And then that back step, my left leg, I make a triangle, so I'm trapping, okay, his right leg. My left hand grabs the chin, and I'm going to roll over my right shoulder towards his legs into the truck position. Okay. Chin, chin. I'm not going to stay here too often because this is not really a secure position. He can get in my back. The back is a better position to go. So from here, just our calf crank, right hand controls. If I can't reach this leg, I'll use my hook, my left foot, to bring his foot towards me, foot on the back of the heel, and then I just have that calf crank. If he's a freak, okay, and he's not topping from here, I can kick this all the way through and bring it back, and then hip in for the calf crank. If I can't get any of these, I'll body lock the leg, I'll get his back off the mat by kicking with my left leg. Left hand controls the hip, right hand controls the shoulder, hip escape, and then in the back position. Okay, so start again. So he gets my hands on the mat. He's trying to hit elbow knee. I missed T-mount escape, or my T-mount transition. I missed the bailout. So now we have these 3 quarter guard escapes. So if I'm hitting the rolling back attack, this right foot of mine needs to come above. So when I hook it, I'm going to back step with my left leg. I'm going to make a triangle, so I'm keeping this leg trapped between my legs. Control the leg with my left hand, then I'm going to roll over my right shoulder, so I'm into the truck. Okay? Chin, chin, foot. Go for the calf crank as my first option. Can't get that. I'll kick this leg through and extend it back and hip in. If that's not working, foot goes on the back of my heel. I'll body lock to control the hip. I want to attack the back, but the mat's occupying the space, so it's just leg press. Left hand controls the hip, right hand controls the shoulder. Got my foot on the mat, straight back, so I have alignment, and I get my second hook in with harness control. You're on the bottom draw. So again, this comes over the top. Okay? Back step. Make my triangle, look for the shin, and then I'm into the truck position here. Okay? So all back.
Got it?
Yeah.
Good guys.
Okay.
I want to show just how insecure the truck position is, because even though there's a lot of things they can do from there, the back is the more secure position. So we get his hands on the line. When they hit elbow knee, I'm going to hit up in quarter guard. Okay, you're going to take that, back step out, make the triangle, so you're putting your right foot behind the back of your knee, and as you roll over your right shoulder, sweet, he's into the truck. Okay, and now I'm in a position where I'm going to get topped out, but if you can't hit the calf crank straight away, I can hit the back straight away, because if I can control the angle, I can get on his back. So my left hand will control his knee, my right hand will control his hip, and I can cut an angle to here and get my knee inside, I have it on him. Okay, so it's not a position that you're going to play around with. Okay, so I want to make sure that if I don't hit that position, I'll be on the back straight away. So let's play around with that, guys.